Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Are you tired of those pesky engine lights haunting your drive? Well, worry no more. Today, we're diving into the world of car scanners to find the ultimate solution to your diagnostic needs. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. So, buckle up as we explore the top 5 contenders in the market, each promising to revolutionize the way you diagnose and maintain your vehicle. Kicking off our list at number 1, BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro is not just your average car scanner. It's a powerhouse of diagnostic capabilities packed into a sleek, compact device. With its cutting-edge technology, this scanner allows you to wirelessly connect to your smartphone or tablet, providing real-time data and insights into your vehicle's health. Key features: equipped with enhanced diagnostics for both domestic and foreign vehicles, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro offers unparalleled compatibility. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly app make navigation a breeze, while its extensive database of trouble codes ensures comprehensive coverage. Benefits and usage: say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision with the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. From identifying engine issues to monitoring performance metrics, this scanner empowers you to take control of your car's maintenance like never before. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, its versatility and accuracy make it a must-have tool for every toolbox. Usability: designed with convenience in mind, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro seamlessly integrates with your smart device, eliminating the need for bulky displays or complicated setups. Simply plug it in, pair it with the app, and you're ready to diagnose with ease. Durability: crafted from high-quality materials and built to withstand the rigors of everyday use, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro is a reliable companion that will stand the test of time, ensuring years of dependable service. In the second spot, we have Motopower MP69033. Meet the Motopower MP69033, a compact yet powerful car scanner designed to simplify the diagnostic process. With its ergonomic design and intuitive interface, this scanner is perfect for both novices and seasoned mechanics alike. Key features: the Motopower MP69033 boasts a wide range of features, including comprehensive OBDI diagnostics, live data streaming, and freeze-frame data. Its large LCD screen provides clear and concise readouts, while its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use. Benefits and usage: whether you're troubleshooting a check engine light or performing routine maintenance, the Motopower MP69033 is your go-to companion. Its user-friendly interface and straightforward operation make it a breeze to use, while its fast and accurate results save you time and frustration. Usability: thanks to its compact size and ergonomic design, the Motopower MP69033 is easy to handle and store, making it the perfect companion for on-the-go diagnostics. Plus, with its intuitive controls and simple interface, you'll be up and running in no time. Durability: built to last, the Motopower MP69033 is constructed from high-quality materials that can withstand the demands of daily use. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional mechanic, you can count on this scanner to deliver reliable performance day in and day out. Coming in at number 3 is the Foxwell NT201. Next up, we have the Foxwell NT201, a versatile car scanner that combines advanced diagnostics with user-friendly features. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this scanner has everything you need to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Key features: the Foxwell NT201 offers a wide range of features, including comprehensive OBDI diagnostics, live data streaming, and freeze-frame data. Its large TFT color display provides clear and easy-to-read results, while its intuitive menu system makes navigation a breeze. Benefits and usage: with the Foxwell NT201, diagnosing engine issues has never been easier. Whether you're troubleshooting a check engine light or monitoring performance metrics, this scanner delivers fast and accurate results every time. Plus, its extensive database of trouble codes ensures comprehensive coverage for all makes and models. Usability: designed with convenience in mind, the Foxwell NT201 is easy to use and navigate, even for novice users. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make operation a breeze, while its compact size ensures easy storage and portability. Durability: built to last, The Foxwell NT201 is constructed from high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Whether you're working in the garage or out on the road, you can trust this scanner to deliver reliable performance when you need it most. Taking our fourth spot is TOPDON ArtiDiag800BT. Get ready to take your diagnostic game to the next level with the TOPDON ArtiDiag800BT. This state-of-the-art car scanner combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to deliver unparalleled performance. Key features: the TOPDON ArtiDiag800BT boasts a wide range of features, including comprehensive OBDI diagnostics, live data streaming, and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Its large touchscreen display provides crisp and clear readouts, while its intuitive interface makes navigation a breeze. Benefits and usage: whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the TOPDON ArtiDiag800BT is the ultimate diagnostic tool. Its fast and accurate results make troubleshooting a breeze, while its extensive database of trouble codes ensures comprehensive coverage for all makes and models. Usability: with its sleek design and intuitive controls, the TOPDON ArtiDiag800BT is easy to use and navigate, even for novice users. Plus, with its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily update the scanner software and download the latest diagnostic information. Durability: built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the TOPDON ArtiDiag800BT is constructed from high-quality materials that can handle whatever you throw at it. Whether you're working in the garage or out on the road, you can trust this scanner to deliver reliable performance day in and day out. And finally, at number 5, we have Autel MaxiCOM 808 Malawian Kwaches. Last but certainly not least, we have the Autel MaxiCOM 808 Malawian Kwaches, a powerful car scanner that's packed with features. From comprehensive diagnostics to advanced functionality, this scanner has it all. Key features: the Autel MaxiCOM 808 Malawian Kwaches offers a wide range of features, including full OBDI diagnostics, live data streaming, and bidirectional control. Its large touchscreen display provides crystal-clear readouts, while its intuitive interface makes navigation a breeze. Benefits and usage: whether you're diagnosing engine issues or performing advanced functions like key programming, the Autel MaxiCOM 808 Malawian Kwaches is up to the task. Its fast and accurate results make troubleshooting a breeze, while its extensive database of trouble codes ensures comprehensive coverage for all makes and models. Usability: designed with the user in mind, the Autel MaxiCOM 808 Malawian Kwaches is easy to use and navigate, even for novice users. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make operation a breeze, while its compact size ensures easy storage and portability. Durability: built to last, the Autel MaxiCOM 808 Malawian Kwaches is constructed from high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, you can count on this scanner to deliver reliable performance day in and day out. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 car scanners reviewed and dissected just for you. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, these scanners are sure to revolutionize the way you diagnose and maintain your vehicle. So why wait? Pick up your favorite scanner today and take control of your car's health like never before. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tips to keep your ride running smoothly. Until next time, happy scanning!